Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your total cash per second isn't going up, even though you've kind of like replaced your Brainrots in Plants vs. Brainrot. Basically, right now my total cash per second is 667,000, and it's around that much. And I've like changed my Brainrots, and it hasn't gone up. Basically, what you'll need to do is you'll need to just exit the game first. And then I'm just going to play it again. Like, I'm just going to join the game again. Wait for this to load. Then basically, if you head on over here, as you can see, the total cash per second has gone up by a lot. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!